Hello, I'm Robert Gowdy, Certified Financial Planner of Consortium Private Wealth, and in this client question we're considering the cash rates. And of course the question I've been getting for probably 8 years now, since interest rates have been very low, is how can I get an improved rate of return on the cash? So for this client scenario, he's got excess of $300,000. The bankers have offered 2.5% on a term deposit. That would be probably 3 month up to 6 to 9 month TD, and he wants to know how he could improve that rate of return. Now the first questions I have is when may need that money? Is that money being put aside for something, or is it long term? Now in this scenario he's looking to make a purchase of an asset within probably 3 to 5 years. Now for me that's the key point. The shorter the time frame when the money is needed means the more careful and conservative we should be with the money. So some of the shares that we've invested in for this client have been very positive in the past, but that money is superannuation based, so very long term. So we've got the rest of his life in terms of being able to invest that money with a mindset that it's going to be invested for 50 years. So investing in the share markets, will the longer we can invest for, we can ride the ebbs and flows of a volatile market. But if we invest with only a short time frame, that's not something we're willing to entertain, where we expose a large amount of capital into the markets knowing that we may need it within 5 years' time. There's absolutely no guarantee that the markets will be exactly where they were when we initially invested. So the opportunity, the chance for a capital loss and having to take that money out ready for that purchase is much higher. So it's all about time frames. The shorter the time frame to when you need the money, be conservative. The term deposit rates are not exciting, but they are guaranteed up to $250,000 by the government. It's not a great return, but the money will be there when you need it for that purchase. So always remember, time frame is really important. Thanks for listening. Subscribe to the channel if you like, that'd be good. And if you're already a subscriber, thanks very much for supporting us, and we'll catch you soon.